In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PSD as a JPEG in Photoshop. Whether you're preparing an image for sharing, emailing, or posting online, exporting a JPEG is a quick way to create a lightweight, widely compatible version of your Photoshop file while keeping your layered PSD safe and intact. Start by opening your PSD file in Photoshop so you can see your artwork or photo on the canvas. With the file open, head up to the top left corner and choose File, then Save As. Depending on your Photoshop version, you might see slightly different wording or prompts, but the idea is the same. You're creating a new copy from your existing PSD rather than replacing it. In the Save As window, look for the Format drop-down, click it, and select JPEG from the list. This tells Photoshop you want a flattened, compressed image suitable for general use. Don't worry, this doesn't erase your layers in the original PSD. You're simply making a separate output file, so you can always return to the PSD if you need to edit layers later. Next, give your file a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. It's a good habit to include something like .web or .final in the name to distinguish it from your PSD. Choose the location where you want the image to go, maybe your project folder or your desktop, so you won't be hunting for it afterward. When you're set, click Save. You'll now see the JPEG options window. This is where you balance quality and file size. Drag the quality slider to choose your compression level. Higher values preserve more detail, but create larger files. Lower values reduce file size at the cost of visible compression. For most general use, a quality level in the upper mid-range produces a crisp result without an oversized file, while high-end printing or detailed graphics might warrant pushing the slider higher. If you see additional options like baseline or progressive, the default baseline standard is perfectly fine for most workflows. Once you've chosen a quality setting you're comfortable with, click OK to finish. Photoshop will generate the JPEG in the location you selected, leaving your original PSD unchanged. It's a good idea to open the exported JPEG and give it a quick look to ensure the image appears sharp and the file size suits your needs. Remember, JPEGs don't support transparency and they compress image data, so keep your PSD as the master file for future edits. And that's it, you've successfully saved your PSD as a JPEG ready to share anywhere.